Today's episode of stuff I'd rather not be doing. Got a coffee, necessities, and that's because that's what time it is. Speak of the devil. That was coincidental timing. And look who decided to join me. It's Boy Wonder. Oh, man. Oh, God. Oh.
Put your seatbelt on for this.
Just clean off the window. Clean off your side, will you, buddy? Thanks.
Yeah, dude.
Father of the year time here, but I actually forgot this thing had seatbelts.
I never wear seatbelts either, but if we're drifting in the snow, I think
in cars we do.
Oh yeah, I guess that's true.
All right.
Punch it. Punch it. Sure. So excited about that.
Next time, all on the Dukes. Looks like the Duke boys done got in trouble again. Putting in work. Let that accumulate a little bit more, and we'll punch it out again. Rinse, repeat. Later.